Hello students, welcome back. Myself Sitaram Bande. Today we are going to see derivative of some standard functions. Question is differentiate the following functions with respect to x. First question I have written over there. Y equal to sec of tan x raised to 4 plus 4. Now we have to differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Take the derivative of right side. Therefore, dy dx of sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. Dy dx is there, it means we have to take the derivative of this function. Sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. Sec fx. What is the derivative of sec fx? Derivative of sec fx is sec fx into tan fx into f dash x. We know that derivative of sec is sec into tan. So here we are using the formula derivative of sec fx is equal to sec fx into tan fx into f dash x. F dash x means derivative of fx. What is fx here? This is fx. What is fx? Fx is equal to tan x raised to 4 plus 4. Derivative of sec fx is sec fx into tan fx into f dash x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to sec, this is fx, sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 into tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 into f dash x. F dash x means derivative of fx into dy dx of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. Now here we have to take the derivative of tan x raised to 4 plus 4. Now here use the formula tan fx. Okay, we know that derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. Derivative of tan is sec square. So here d by dx of tan fx is equal to sec square fx into f dash x. Derivative of tan fx. What is fx here? Here fx is equal to x raised to 4 plus 4. Now derivative of tan fx is sec square fx into f dash x. Derivative of tan is sec square. So carry this sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 into tan of x raised to 4 plus 4. This derivative is sec square x raised to 4 plus 4 into derivative of fx. Fx is x raised to 4 plus 4. Now what is the derivative of x raised to 4? Use the formula. Derivative of x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. Here n is equal to 4. So carry as it is sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 into tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 into sec square x raised to 4 plus 4 into derivative of x raised to 4 is derivative of x raised to n is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. Here n equal to 4. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x raised to 4 minus 1. That is 4x raised to 3. 4 is constant and derivative of constant term is 0. So write down this algebraic term first. So required dy by dx is equal to 4x cube into sec of tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 into tan of x raised to 4 plus 4 into sec square x raised to 4 plus 4, which is the required derivative of the given function. Do you understand? Okay. Now we will take the next one. Y equal to sine of second sum. Y equal to sine of root sine root x. Root sine root x. We have to differentiate this. Okay. Now see, differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. Now derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. dy by dx of sine of root sine root x. Now we have to take the derivative of this term. Sine root sine root x. We know that derivative of sine is cos. Derivative of sine fx is equal to cos fx into f dash x. Here derivative of sine fx is equal to cos fx into f dash x. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to cos of root sine root x into d by dx of fx. F dash x means d by dx of fx. What is fx? Fx is equal to here root sine root x. So derivative of root sine root x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to cos root sine root x into derivative of root sine root x. Now here use the formula derivative of root x. We know that derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Similarly, derivative of root fx. Derivative of root fx is equal to 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash x. Derivative of root fx 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash x. Similarly, 1 upon 2 root, what is fx? Fx is sine root x. Derivative of root fx is 1 upon 2 root fx, 2 root sine root x into d by dx of fx. Fx is sine root x. Okay, now here we have to take the derivative of sine root x. We know that derivative of sine is cos. Derivative of sine x is cos x. Derivative of sine fx is equal to cos fx into f dash x. So similarly here cos of root sine root x upon 2 root sine root x into derivative of sine root x. Derivative of sine fx is equal to cos fx into f dash x. So its derivative is cos root x into dy dx of fx, that is f dash x. Fx is equal to root x. Derivative of sine root x is cos root x into derivative of root x. Sin fx का derivative cos fx, fx की value है root x. Therefore sin root x का derivative cos root x into take the derivative of fx. Fx is equal to root x. And we know that derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So this can be written as cos root sine root x upon 2 root sine root x into cos root x, and derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So required dy by dx is equal to this cos root x into cos of root sine root x whole divided by 2 into 2 4 root x into root sine root x. Is that clear? Is that it? Okay. Now we take the next one. Any problem regarding to this? Okay. Now take the next one. Y equal to log of sec of e raised to x square. Y equal to log of sec of e raised to x square. Now we have to take the derivative of this function. Differentiate this function with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x. Now write down differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. On right hand side, dy dx of log of sec of e raised to x square. Now here we have to take the derivative. We know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. In the similar manner, derivative of log fx is equal to 1 upon fx into f dash x. F dash x means derivative of fx. What is fx here? This is fx. Fx is equal to sec of e raised to x square. This is our fx. Log fx. Log fx का derivative 1 upon fx into derivative of fx means f dash x. Now log fx का derivative 1 upon fx, so it is 1 upon sec of e raised to x square into derivative of fx. F dash x means derivative of fx, and here fx is equal to sec of e raised to x square. Now take the derivative of this term. How we can take the derivative of this term? We know that derivative of sec is sec into tan. Similarly, derivative of sec fx is equal to sec fx into tan fx into f dash x. Derivative of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta. Similarly here, derivative of sec e raised to x square. Here our fx is equal to e raised to x square. What is fx here? E raised to x square. Sec fx. Sec fx का derivative sec fx into tan fx into f dash x. So इसका derivative sec e raised to x square into tan e raised to x square into derivative of this term fx, that is e raised to x square, divided by sec e raised to x. Now this term is same, cancel it. Now here we have to take the derivative of e raised to x square. Now here we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to fx. What is the derivative of e raised to fx? Is equal to e raised to fx into f dash x. What is fx here? Fx is equal to x square. What is fx? Fx is equal to x square. So this can be written as tan e raised to x square into derivative of e raised to x square is e raised to x square into dy dx of x square divided by, sorry, this term is already cancelled, Now take the derivative of x square. Derivative of x raised to n, that is nx raised to n minus 1. Here n is equal to 2. Derivative of x raised to 2 is 2x raised to 2 minus 1. That is 2x. Take this 2x outside. 2x into e raised to x square into tan of e raised to x square, which is the required divided by dx. Okay, any problem regarding to this? Do you understand this one? Okay, see you in the next lecture.